YouTube? It's your boy Big E, man. Y'all already know. Hey, it's time for another video, man. Hey, as y'all can see, we up here sitting in the International. It's Monday morning. It's 8:22, man. We got a lot of rain from late last night to all morning, and now we finna go see if we can get a load. Brian done called me and told me he ready for me, so we gonna see if I gotta wait to go in. I talked to 8 Ball. He ended up going this morning. He said they still ain't got the other truck out that was loaded from Friday because of the thunderstorm that came through. So, hey, man, we up here. I ain't gonna talk to y'all too much, man. I'm just trying to get a lot of footage today. I'm gonna try to get some footage with the GoPro, y'all. So, I do got the GoPro. Let me see, is it charged up? But anyway, man, I'm gonna get back with y'all. Peace.
Lord have mercy. This is bad, Lord. Golly. Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy. I ain't never in my life. Y'all still out there singing? All right.
Trying to mud ride this whole thing, y'all. Oh, we kept coming on through. Got the international working, man. Oh yeah. Sideways, y'all. Grass a little bit. Sorry for all the bumpiness, y'all, but y'all know how it is. Hold on, y'all. Let me get situated. I gotta figure out how we're gonna do this. Yep, guys. That'll do it. Hey, that Ford trying to get out of there, y'all. That Ford trying to get out of there, y'all. Look at that Ford. That Ford trying to get out of there, man. Get out of there, Fox. Get out of there. Ooh. You can't beat a Ford, man. You can't beat a Ford. Hey, y'all see that in there? She working, man. Why that? Oh, you ain't going nowhere. You ain't going nowhere. It's a mess, man. Wait for that bulldog. Probably like to put me through this though. Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh, girl wanna lean on me, man. Don't scare me like that, girl. That Freightliner never scared me. She did what she had to do to come on out of there. Oh, and now she looking in the door though. Come on, bigger than that. Through right here. You got me, y'all. Y'all see the little STN right there, man? That's one of German vehicles. They got so many, man. He'll leave him in the woods everywhere. He'll be everywhere in different vehicles. I like that little STN though. Y'all, we finally got out them woods, man. Finally got out of it with the first load. We're gonna scrap that thing down and we gonna take it to Waynesburg, man. Y'all see I got my big beacon light on up there. I like this truck, man. I do. I ain't gonna lie, I like it, man. But hey, it is what it is, man. All right, y'all, we got this thing locked and loaded. Put this thing in drive. They tell you what gear I'm in. We about to ride on out, man. Hey. Whew. It was a little sketchy for a little bit, but hey. God got us out of there. Let me get back with y'all. Hey, y'all, I want to show y'all the damage, man, that this storm came through unexpectedly Friday. While they was logging in the woods, man. I'm gonna upload a video while he's sitting on the loader. While Brian's sitting in the loader, man, it looked like he going through a doggone hurricane or something, man. I'm gonna show y'all some of the damage it done. Hold on. I'm talking about it turned over some big old trees. And we're looking at one right there. Ain't as big, but you see how it uprooted the thing, man. Wait till we get on down here, son. By the grace of God, they didn't get no damage on their house. They had a big old tree down right there. Look at all that. Brian said they had to cut their way up out of here. You can see the damage, man. How it was snapping trees. Look at all these trees over, man. And they said it was no tornado or nothing. bad storm that had some real strong winds. But that's pretty much it in that little area, y'all. Guess we'll get back with you. All right, y'all. We got one on our back loaded for in the morning. I'm trying to let the camera focus. Can't see. Oh, I had to turn it around. But anyway, man, we got one on our back. We done parked up for the day at 4:18. We gonna call it a day, man. Gonna get up by 3:30 in the morning, man, and get on down to Waynesboro and trying to get this over with, y'all. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be recording footage from all week. So this is gonna be a week-long video. So the clips probably won't be too long because I don't wanna, upload a long video. Then it take probably 2 days to upload it. And I don't want to bore y'all. So, hey, man, like, share, subscribe to the channel, man. It's your boy, Big E, man, and we out this thing for the... Y'all, that's a nice KW right there with the flat top sleep on it. Ooh, I like that thing, man. Oh yeah, we had to baptize old International here in that old mud, man. Had to let her know, hey, if you gonna be out here, you gonna have to earn your keep. You can't be pretty all the time. You got to get muddy. You hear me? Baby, y'all already know what we out here doing, man. We logging, man. Oh my God. Do y'all see that freight shaker there? Look at the visor, man. Look at that little freight shaker there, man. Oh man, I gotta get Snowball back. That's a clean old KW right there, man. That thing nice. Hey, man. Y'all already know what we out here doing, man. We logging, man. Hey, man, I love this stuff, man. I'm scared and I love it at the same time. You hear me? I thought this thing was gone a while ago, man. But it done got real. You see, we got to get both of the skittles to get up out of here, man. Hey, man, I'm telling y'all, hey, if y'all ain't ready for this right here, man, if you don't like to live on the edge, don't come out here on a rainy day, man. Don't you come out, if you ain't got yourself right with the Lord, I'm telling you, don't you come out here in these woods on a rainy day, man. You got to get the skittle to hook to you. One skittle to hook to you, the other one in the back there pushing you. The bulldozer, he's somewhere else. I don't know where he at, but I'm telling you, man. Hey, we out here for real, man. We do this, man. This got to be in your blood. We logging, man. I'm telling you, man. This ain't for the faint of heart. You hear me? This is not for the faint of heart right here, baby. Let me tell you something. Y'all, hey, I teach you how to drive this thing. Hey, like I tell you all the time, but they gonna cost you. Come on. Yeah, T-Wayne. Bring those things out that hallway, man, to come out here and play, man. Come play with a big boy. We got an extra log trailer for you. If you ain't too scared, man. We got an extra log trailer, man. I want to see what old Casper really made of. She just all bark and no bite. Just like the rest of the Caterpillar gang. Talking about y'all some Detroit killer. Y'all ain't killing nothing. But I'm going to kill all y'all egos. Come on out here, man. Come on out here in these woods and play with a real truck driver.